morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new, then hello, my name is Tori. I hope you guys are having a fantastic spooky season and a great first couple of days of October. I love October. It's probably my favorite month of the entire year just because they tend to have a lot of really cute clothes. A lot of brands come out with a lot of Halloween outfits and Halloween decor, but honestly, I just wear them all year round. Today, I have another try-on haul for you guys. I've done a bunch of try-on hauls in the past, so if you want to watch some of those, click the card up in the corner. I've never actually worked with this brand before, so I am super excited to try out some of their clothes. The store I'm going to be reviewing from today is Dolls Black. They reached out to me and offered to send me 8 different items. So this time, I decided to go with a very spooky aesthetic. I tend to wear a lot of black clothes anyway, so I am so excited to add these to my closet. If you do see anything that you like, make sure you use my code, which is Yep It's Still Tori, to get 10% off of your order. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first outfit I'm actually wearing right now. So the top is their chic black top, and it's listed at $32 on their website. And the bottoms are called their dark punk skirt, and it is listed for $36. So I don't really own any type of clothes that look like this because I normally never wear anything off the shoulder because I just feel like it looks weird on me. However, I love this outfit. I think it looks so cute. I feel like I look like a little vampire. So the skirt is very high-waisted. I have it all the way pulled up. You can also lace it up in the front. So overall, the fabric is super comfortable. I've been wearing this for the last couple of hours and I've had no issues in it. I like how you can lace everything up. However, if you do pull it a little bit too tight, then it starts to bunch up and look a little bit weird. So you do have to kind of play around with it and figure out how tight exactly to tie it in order for it to like look decent. But I love this top. I think this top is so cute, so cute. It also stays up pretty well. I don't feel like I would have to constantly be adjusting this and pulling it up. Price-wise, for both of them, I do think it's a little on the expensive side. I do think that they could go down on the price a little bit for the top, maybe bring it down to like $25. Honestly, for the skirt, I think they could also go down just a couple of dollars, but I think the skirt is actually really pretty. But I feel like around the $30 range would be a good price to charge for the skirt. The next thing that I got were these overalls. I love overalls. I think they're so cute. They're basically like wearing shorts, but they can't fall down and they're adorable. They also kind of remind me of farmers. These overalls are listed at $36 on their website. I really like how big it is. It makes me feel very small when I'm in the overalls, and I love it. I really like big overalls. I don't know why. I think these overalls are super cute. The only issue I do have with them are the front pockets, because they are so little. They are little tiny front pockets when I feel like you have all of this area to like expand the pocket down into, and I feel like you should have just done that. Just added a little bit more pockets to the front. However, I'm not angry at these overalls. I still think that they're pretty cute. The next thing I have is a dress for you guys, and it looks like this. So I originally got this dress because I saw this picture on Instagram and I really wanted to recreate the Marceline side of it. I really like the sleeves. They are a little bit long for my arms. Also, the actual body of the dress is very soft and I really like it. The only issue I do have with this dress is that it tends to fall down just a little bit. So I definitely need to be on the lookout when I am wearing this dress, because this dress definitely likes to play chicken with you, if you know what I mean. This dress is listed at $40 on their website, which is, you know, a little expensive for a dress. However, with the type of fabric that it's made out of and also with the sleeves, I do think that it deserves a little bit higher of a price point. So I would maybe pay like $35 for like a dress similar to this. The next thing that I got is another dress, and it looks like this. It is a plain black dress. It has like a solid black top, and for the bottom of the dress it has a little bit of a flower lace over it, so I think it makes it look really nice. I kind of just got this dress because I really wanted a basic black dress that I could wear out. I think this is super cute, especially with the added belt that it does come with. It also does come with little straps, so you can also like hang it up with this or also wear it with the straps on so it doesn't fall off. However, I really like this dress. I do think on me it is a little bit short, but that's because I have really long legs. So I feel like if you also have really long legs and you're not a huge fan of wearing short dresses, I would maybe pass on this. But if you don't have long legs, or if you're the type of person who doesn't really mind having semi-shorter dresses on, I think it's perfect for you. It does come with a black like underbit over the lace, so you can't actually see through the bottom. However, I've noticed that when I wear it, it tends to kind of start riding up a little bit. Once it starts riding up, it's kind of pointless because then the lace doesn't really cover anything, so just be careful. So the next thing I wanted to try out was this mesh schoolgirl outfit. I was very interested, very curious of what it would end up looking like, and let me just tell you, I am not a fan. I don't like this. I don't like how the sleeves aren't connected to the actual like part of it, so when I wear it, it looks a little weird. So personally, I don't like the top to this set. This is listed at $30 on their website, and I think they're charging way too much for this. I would maybe pay like $6 to $10 for this just because of the quality. I did try this on with like a swimsuit top, so you can't see anything. Not a fan. The bottoms are kind of cute, definitely really small, but this is not a skirt I would personally wear out in public. But yeah, not a huge fan with this set. I was a little disappointed because the set looked super cute online, and I was so excited to like try it out, maybe do some like spooky schoolgirl sets, but probably not, which makes me really sad. So then the last clothing item I got was another little lingerie set. So it's this little lacy set. I think this is so cute. I love it. I love this set. I think it's adorable. I really like it. I love the bottoms. You have this little like extra bit of like a place where you can like lace it up, and I just think it's so cute. However, this set was the most expensive item from this haul, which I don't personally understand, and it was $40. But it has less fabric than almost anything else that I showed you. So I don't really get the pricing for this particular item. So I'm a little bit torn with the pricing for this. Overall, I don't think I would pay $40 for this set. I would say maybe, again, $25 to $30 for the set. $40 for that type of set? I don't know. I think it's super cute and I really like the set. However, I do feel, again, it's a little expensive. The last thing is a wig. So I wanted to get a wig that would kind of be the opposite as the rest of the clothing, just because I wanted to see what it looked like on. So they do give you a wig cap, which is super useful. Oh, so it looks like it's one of the types of wigs where you add the little like ponytails afterwards, and then you just go ahead and you attach the little ponytails just to the wig. And let's put the other one on. Oh god, like all of it. So this is what the wig looks like on. I like it. I like the color of it. I like how you could kind of take the little pigtails off. I do wish the pigtails blended a little bit better into the hair. That looks a little bit better. So you do have to kind of play around with it to like actually cover the clip. I like how curled they are. But this wig is listed at $35 on their website. Okay, now I'm gonna do the shake test to see how much do I need to shake my head in order for this wig to fall off. Okay, ready? Okay, so it looks like this clip started falling off, but this one stayed strong. So that was everything that they sent me for this haul. So let me know what your favorite thing I showed you was down in the comment section below. And also, as always, I will have links to everything that I showed you in the description in the order that I show you them in. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what was your favorite thing that I showed you in this haul. Thank you again so much to Dolls Black for sending me all of this wonderful clothing. I think my favorite thing might be the outfit that I'm currently wearing because I love this top. I feel so cute in it. If you guys want to watch some of my Halloween videos, I have a whole playlist right over here. Or if you want to watch some of my other haul videos, I have a playlist just for you right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to check out my Big Cartel for Halloween scrunchies. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all later.